Okay, guys, having understood what botnets are and what their ecosystem looks like, let's look at some botnet tools available on the market. So some notable ones are the Win32.Shark, Plugbot, Poison Ivy, Illusion, and NetBot Attacker. So let's look at the key features of each of these. First of all, Win32.Shark is a backdoor Trojan horse program. Now, this is a reverse connecting firewall bypassing remote administration tool. Shark downloads other malware onto your already infected system, and then Shark will spread itself through spam emails, pornographic websites, and file sharing programs. Now, once it's entered, it will inject malicious files into your registry that will activate annoying pop-up advertisements. In addition to turning off your security software, this program gives control of your computer over to the hacker.
Yeah, it's such great names for these things too. They're scary. Like Poison Ivy it's a remote access Trojan, or a RAT, R-A-T, and is an advanced remote administration tool for Windows. Now, what Poison Ivy does is it allows a remote operator to control a system as if he or she has physical access to that system. So using this tool, attackers can steal passwords, banking information, and any other information they may want.
That's right.
All right, Ammon, here's another one. NetBot Attacker, another scary name. It's used by attackers for commanding and reporting networks, and they may even use this to command attacks. So it's got a lot of capability there.
That's right. And you may be wondering if all bots are software only. Not really. Plugbot is a tiny computer that looks like a power adapter and is a covert penetration testing device. Now, its small size allows it to go physically undetected, and it's powerful enough to scan, collect, and deliver test results externally.